Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted tweets on X Twitter. First, unlock your phone and open the X Twitter app. Make sure you are logged into your account where your tweets were posted. This is important because recovery options are linked to your account data. Wait for the app to load properly before moving ahead. Now tap on your profile picture from the top left corner. This will open your main profile menu where different account options are available. From here, you can access settings and privacy options. Take a moment to locate the correct menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the menu. This section contains all your account controls and data options. This is where you can manage your Twitter, X data settings. Now tap on your account option. Inside this section, you will find data-related tools and account management features. This step is important for accessing your tweet data options. Next, select Download an archive of your data. You may need to verify your identity using a code sent to your email or phone. Enter the code to continue. After verification, your data file will be prepared for download. Once the file is ready, download it and open it to view your old tweets and account data. This is the closest official way to access deleted or old tweet information. However, permanently deleted tweets cannot be fully recovered if removed from X servers. And that's how you can try to recover deleted tweets on X step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.